Hello guys, on this video I'm going to show you how you can restore and repair corrupted files in Windows 10 and 11. This video is going to work perfectly fine for both versions of Windows. Before we do that, don't forget to drop a like into the video if you find it useful and to subscribe to the channel for more content like this one. Let's start. Inside of Windows itself is an application called System File Checker, and that is what we're going to be using today to do this tutorial. To start, you want to go into the search bar and you want to type CMD. From here, you're going to see the command prompt. One step that is really important, you want to right-click into it and to set Run as Administrator. Once you have the command prompt open, you want to go into the description, and I'm going to let you guys there the commands that you need to enter right here. So you can use Ctrl-C to copy them and then Ctrl-V to paste them right here. And then you want to press Enter. This is using an online image to restore the health of the files in your PC. So for example, if you are missing a DLL file or anything that is causing you some problems with application or games, your Windows PC is going to find it, download it again, and restore the file once more in your PC. Now that this is done, you will need to enter a second command. Again, it's going to be in the description down below, so you want to press Ctrl-V once more to paste it here and press Enter. Now this is going to make a complete system scan, and again it's going to check once more that all the files are correctly set in your PC. When all the process is done, all that you have to do is to restart your system and to try to see if that error that you had in your PC is solved. And that is it for this video. If you find it useful, don't forget to drop a like, because this really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials, tips, and videos like this one. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.